morning, friends! It's Elizabeth from Madero Green Moments. So today I am unboxing an order from Whimsy and Wellness. First time ordering, so I'm going to share my first impressions. I found this company on Instagram, saw other essential oilers posting about products, and then checked out their products and realized that as they launch them, they sell out. Like there's something to their stuff. So I thought, you know what, let me place an order and I will share with you guys what I think. If you like these kinds of videos, be sure to like it, subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. All right, guys, I've turned the camera around here. So I just received my box. Has the Whimsy and Wellness sticker. I will link their shop Instagram down below so you can check them out yourself. I've just put a post-it note over my address here, but this is the box. And so as soon as I got it, I was like, I cannot wait to share with you guys. It's just been a while since I have discovered an essential oil accessory company that made me excited. I wanted everything on the website. However, I restrained myself and ordered 2 of the items that they launched. This was like a restock, I think. And then they said whatever, once they sell out of these, they're not going to make them again. And they're going to switch to a like winter Christmas type collection. So I wanted to show you guys what I got and share with you this company, and then we'll experience it together. So let's see, so we've got some fun confetti stuff here. I ordered the fairy tale collection and the fitness collection, and it's a limited edition set. So we have, this looks like it's from the fitness collection. It has a label on the side, and this says refresh. So it's my idea that you're supposed to use this for like your yoga mat and for working out, and I've got to trim that because this doesn't fit. So the fitness collection was discounted to $24, so it wasn't too pricey. And I just thought her items were very unique and would make wonderful gifts. We have a spray top. This says muscles. Now I thought this bottle was going to be black, but it's brown spray bottle. This one says energy. And these are, yeah, they're labels that they've put on these bottles. And this small bottle says refresh. Look how pretty that is, the shiny label with the matte black spray. Let's see what the card says. Actually gives recipes for each one, so that way you guys can see what I'm looking at here. The muscle roller is 10 drops of wintergreen with 5 drops of helichrysum, 5 drops of clove, and 5 peppermint. Fill with a carrier oil of choice, roll on muscles after working out, and then it has a hematite roller top. So that's the silver color. So that must be this one. So this is the hematite. I love how they have crystals and stones that they use to just amplify the use of your essential oils, like using all the materials that God's given us to help us in our daily life. Pretty cool. So then the energy roller is cinnamon, fir, orange, and nutmeg. And then you roll it on your neck and wrists. Dark gray, green, or red color is this one, which is the bloodstone roller. So you can see that one. And that one goes on the energy. So the 2-ounce spray bottle, the recommendation is 15 drops of a purifying blend. So that would be purification for Young Living, and 5 drops of lemon. And then you fill it with witch hazel or water, shake before each spray, and you can spray on your athletic equipment or your shoes. So after I work out, I can spray my shoes, which is kind of cool, or my yoga mat. And then the other one is an 8-ounce spray bottle, and that is 30 drops and 10 drops. So 30 purifying and 10 lemon. So one is kind of for smaller spaces, and then this one could be for bigger, or I could even use this in the house as like a room spray, which is kind of cool. All right, so that is the fitness collection, and that was $24. This one is the fairy tale collection, and this was quite a bit more, and I'll show you why in a moment. Now, what I love about all these is that you can keep them for yourself, or you can separate some of these out as gifts. And this one, if you know me, guys, you know that my second love after essential oils, or maybe it pairs with it is Disney. I love Disney so much. And this collection is called the Fairy Tale Collection. And when I show you all the pieces, you're gonna be like, oh my goodness, how cool. Here is the Fairy Tale Collection, and this was $68. So it was a lot more expensive. But the reason why is because I got the different stone tops, roller tops to go in them, and they are paired with the different names. And then she gives a recipe, and I also got crystals on the inside of the bottles. So as you're using your essential oils, you have crystals in them. So I just think that's so beautiful. I think it's so cool. And what a unique twist on essential oils. And these have like copper tops. So I'm just gonna go through them really quick. There are recipes for each one that she shares. But I have Pixie Dust. And this one, let me show you, look how pretty. Look how pretty. I have never seen anything like this. Okay, so Pixie Dust, it's an uplifting blend of frankincense, tangerine, lemongrass, and drops of lavender. And this one is paired with an apatite crystals, and this has a brown roller gold top. Is Believe, and this one is, look how pretty. This one is, recommends fir, bergamot, frankincense, and ylang ylang, and gives you feelings of faith and insight. And it has labradorite crystals and a moonstone roller top. And so here's the moonstone roller top. Like, how beautiful is that? So not only could you just use your Believe essential oil and then add a carrier, how encouraging and inspiring and special would that make you feel to be applying that every morning? I mean, it just takes using your essential oils another level, and instead of just using them regular, it's just a neat way to give them as a special gift. So I definitely am not keeping this whole set. I'm going to be giving it to some of my friends and family for special occasions coming up. So the next one I have is Dream, and Dream is right here. You can see it's got the crystals in it. Oh, so pretty. And here's the top, and I'll tell you guys about it here. So Dream is, they use tangerine, ylang ylang, orange, patchouli, and blue tansy, and helps you wind down before sleep. And the crystals are tourmaline and emerald calcite crystals, and it's a white howlite roller top, which is just gorgeous. And then we have two more. This is a set of 5. So we've got Wish, and this, look at those crystals on the inside. Aren't they just so gorgeous? I just think God's created the prettiest things, and this company has done an amazing job at packaging them for us. So Wish is frankincense, ylang ylang, sandalwood, and patchouli. And it has clear quartz crystals, and then it has an amethyst roller top. If that isn't just beautiful pairing, I don't know what is. And the last one is Magic. And Magic, I can see myself using in the Magic Kingdom. And you can see just the pairing of the different color crystals and the top here. So let me tell you about Magic. Magic is cinnamon, fir, orange, and nutmeg. And helps you give you superpowers to get things done. So it sounds like it's a motivating blend. And it's clear quartz and pyrite crystals, and it has a jade green roller top, which is pretty light green. So it says on the instructions, after adding the drops of essential oils, fill the bottle with your carrier oil of choice, and you can visit their website to learn more about the crystals. So that is so pretty. I'm gonna put them all here together so I can show you what the collection looks like together. And it's just gorgeous.